Don't tell me that just disconnected again. Now, whatever. Right, let's start from there. So there's your white side starting to get together, and I'm not only doing that face, as some cubists call it, but I'm doing down the sides as well. As you can see there, learning how to play backwards, it's like trying to do things in a mirror. Okay, orange and blue, go there, and bring that one round. So I'm doing here the center, these cubes here, putting those all in place. That one. And finally this one here. They're all being difficult today. Right, so all your center cubes are now correct, and as you can see, white is still there. So now I've got to work on this top layer where for all the yellow cubes. First of all, we do the corner cubes, and I've got to figure out which way round we want to do this. I can't remember how that happens. No. Yep, that was it. It's been a while since I did this. Now that formula. And finally twist these. So each of the small cubes is in the right spot. I just need to twist some of them around. And now just those two are left. And there it is. My best time is 2.5 minutes from a completely mucked up cube. Or actually no, I have got it under 2 minutes now from a completely mucked up cube, but that's my best possible time, not necessarily how I get it every time, and especially when I'm trying to do something else at the same time, like record a video and concentrate on learning how to do that.